This is a quick one. I want to show you in Inkscape how to export and import PDF files. So in case you have something done and you want to export it in PDF, you can just go after writing something or doing whatever you have done. I have just this document here. You just go to file and then you go to save or save as, and then when you click it, you get this dialog box as usual, and then you can either choose where you want to save it, and then after you've selected where you want to save it, the directory, you go to save, and then you come here, save as type. So you want to choose the type, and the type you want is PDF. So you come and click here, and then you give it the file name. I have given it circles, circles. Whatever name you like, you can give it. You don't even need to add the PDF in addition. And then you do, for example, I can do something like write circle, and then I go to save, and then this dialog box pops up. Normally the version of PDF that is really around is 1.5, but if in case you want any other option, you can choose 1.4 depending if you are going to print something somewhere. And the text output option, embed fonts, if you choose that, means you want the font that is there. You can also convert, if it's something like a logo and you don't want, you don't really need a text, but then it's better you convert the text to path. Okay, and then if you want also to do it in LaTeX, work on it later with LaTeX, then you can omit text in PDF and create a LaTeX file. So in case you will have some drawings or something that you want to use for your thesis or whatever, and then all the other things are okay, and then you go to okay. I already had created circle, that's why it's saying do I want to replace it. Okay, now if you finish doing that, you can always see, if you go and check, you'll see that it's created this file here. Now let's assume that you have rather a PDF file and you want to open it in Inkscape and work on it, and afterwards save it. Now that you know how to save it, you can do that by, let's say, opening the PDF file by going to open. For example, if you come here, file, and then you go to open, and then you get it takes you to whichever, and you can press this PC to choose wherever the file is. I have mine here, so I just choose this, and then I do open, and then it asks you whether you want that it replaces the PDF font by the closest named installed font. If you want to maintain the font you have in the PDF file, then uncheck this. Other than that, in case not, it will replace it with the closest named installed font, or if not, you have to install maybe the font that the document you have has. But if not, you just uncheck it. Or if you don't care about approximately getting a similar font, then just do check this, and then go to OK, and then it opens something like this here for you. Let me make it big for you to see. And then now you can do some things here, like if you want to draw something and change colors or whatever you ever do in Inkscape. And then after doing everything, you go back to file and save, and you save it in PDF, and you are done as you had. Or just press save and it saves it as the file that you had before. Now I can do that for you to see. If you have here, and I have save, and I go back here and do okay. Now my file name was tutorial 2 PowerPoint PDF. So if I go to here and then I open it, you see this thing we drew now is updated nicely in the PDF file. So that's how more or less you can work with PDF. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel, and please come again. Thank you. Bye.